Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you my creamy fried chicken gravy. Our ingredients are 2 tablespoons butter, 1.5 tablespoons cornstarch, 2 cups of water, chicken bouillon, 1 cup of milk, a tablespoon of soy sauce, a tablespoon of brown sugar, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of pepper. So let's get started. First, we have to melt 2 tablespoons of butter. And then, once that's melted, add a tablespoon and a half of cornstarch. Once your butter and your cornstarch will start bubbling and turns into a paste, add your water with your chicken bouillon. In order for the chicken bouillon to dissolve properly, I dropped it in the 2 cups of water beforehand so it will be softer once it's in the pan. It's okay that the chicken bouillon is not 100% dissolved. Stirring constantly and with your medium to high heat, it will eventually dissolve. Just continue to stir your mixture until the mixture will reach a hard boil, and then lower your heat to medium. At this point, add your cold milk. Continue stirring until all the lumps are gone. Then add a tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix well. Continue stirring your gravy mixture and make sure that lumps are not settling on the bottom, and if it is, just dry it, press on it, and then just stir constantly. I'm adding a tablespoon of brown sugar. Then add your salt and pepper to taste. Stir constantly until your gravy is reduced to half and has thickened. Guys, this is how our gravy should look like. It is now ready. Let it stand for 2 minutes before serving, and you can add your cheese to make it more tasty. Here's our creamy fried chicken gravy recipe. Enjoy!